Hello, good morning, dear my students. Welcome to the GSCIS. Today I may start the topic the Hindu newspaper. So first you have to responsibility the international news and national news. First important news for the related to the civil service examination. First is Hindu murder by the one more than they arrested in the two surrenders. This news is not related to the civil service and Congress announced by the organization and the poll the next year by the next president in this Congress party. 4-8 killed by the rain by the coast have in the Kerala in this related to this news is the related to the civil service examination and then New Delhi to the NS by the only Afghan by the issue. Next news related to the all by the policemen by the arrested in the Kanpur and property by the Dekilier murder case. So this news is not related to the civil service examination. And then after the meaning affected to village in the Odisha defined of the relieved. This news is not related to the civil service examination. And then after city news the marginal by the duty in the due third cut up by the list related to the Delhi University in the cut up third list and declared. This news is not related to the civil service examination and then after the 6 heart by in group of the days. So SDMC and lunch in the smart parking of the app. And say Bayard unfat lightly to stood in the all for North India. In the Sir by Saint amendment by Khan, Roshan in religion by the and not be related to the profession. This news is not related to the civil service examinations. And then after air quality of fall in the pool by level in the Delhi, may by arranged by register of the very poor acute. Delhi it is a very difficulties in the right now this weather and weather is the very air quality of the fall by in poor Delhi. This news is related to this importance this civil service and minor by S rotates MBA government to in the most by corruption in the Maharashtra history of the federations. This news is not related to the examination of the civil service Sakshi Kala visit by this Jay Memorial on this event by AIADMK 15th anniversary. So High Court by questions complete by against to Aligarh. One terrorist named or Aryan tell by NCB of official by the in the jail. This news is not related to this Union Public Service Commission exam, but states IMD issue by allow alert by the 7 district in the Kerala. This news is the very important in this and paper number 3rd means Sabrimala Aryapan temple by open rain restarted pilgrim. BJP geared to upnot weightage anti-corruption in law. The Great India Kitchen by Gate Kerala Best Film Award. Kumar Swamy called by the Siddharnath anti-Muslim. Now a trip of the Russia for the globalization of the tea seller in the couple. So Clash temple did not by follow my instructions and the child this news is not related to civil service exam. Next news by the 2 or more civils and killing in the Kashmir. NSG offer by the anti-crore by the cover in the Jammu Kashmir. Srinagar murder case by one more arrested to surrender. Battle of the Bhuj at the Say University Quiz final. RSS chief duty by this deputy visit by the Ayodhya. New Delhi to hot by NSA of the Afghan issue. Jaishankar to visit Israel to the high level of the engagement. This news is related to the civil service exam. So news by the Developtical by design on the former say the CWC. Why don't the CWC react by the murder of the Sinhu? And then afterwards, SGPC comes into the support by the farmers. And Gahlot to Delhi visit Spark to speculation of the aboard resupply. News. This is the very important by the news. A Army Air Defense step on the procurement. This news is very important. This related to the civil service examination and dentons by the HIV sex worker upheld. This news is not related to the civil service exam. And yes, industry by the Sikh role in the farming. Industry seek by the role in the farming regulation of the medical device. So this news is not related to the civil service examination. And then after alliance by soil reclamations, worker not be wonder in this surrender. This news is not related to the civil service. IT search by the best of the record on this. Understanding by this the importance to shipping of focus on the demand of the management of the waters and then world news. It is a very important by this national and international current affair. It's very important by this prosperity of the state will be the along by term Jinping. This news is very important by the current affair. But China media held by the Bhutan deal is the break thought. Sri Lanka eyeing by green agriculture is to very important news in the civil service exam. 2 killed by in religion unrested by the Bangladesh. ISI chief appointment by into big Pakistan minister. Science and technology is a very important in the civil service examination. Paper number 4th means very less likely to develop resistance of the molnupiravir. IIT Kanpur team identify by novel target to the target post-test cancer. This news is important to the civil service examinations. Then after, will Tata of the able to turn around Air India? And then what is the extended by the Indian coal and crisis? This news is this very important and the civil service exam. For this means paper number 3. But in the line of the defense with the growing of the power related to the 56 war in North Forest development along by the Bangladesh, Pakistan and border to the currently by the cause in politician station to the MBH converted by the operation limited to the Punjab, West Bengal and Bangladesh. So Assam, it is a very important this topic and security for this national and international. This news is the very important this topic. So further shown on the protect by this news is not related to the civil service examination. Next I am talk about this business. So HDFC Bank by question number 2 net by profit of the increase 18% provision by the claim Climate finance teach transfer known by the note behind the finance minister Sitaraman. It is a very important this news that related to the science and technology and economics. Though paper number 3 mentions. Thank you.